Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to color match two clips in Premiere Pro. This is super useful when your clips were shot on two different cameras or in different lighting. Let's get started. First, make sure you're in the color workspace. Go to the workspaces and select color. Next, go down to color wheels and match. Select one of your clips and select comparison view. This splits your program monitor in half, showing your reference clip on one side and your current clip on the other. In the comparison view, use the slider under the left preview to pick the clip or frame you want to match to. This is your target look. For example, if your first clip looks perfect, use that as a reference. Now, select the clip you want to adjust in the timeline, and in the Lumetri color panel, click Apply Match. Premiere Pro will automatically analyze both shots and apply color corrections to get them closer together. It uses Adobe Sensei AI for this, and it actually does a really good job as a base. Once the match is done, you can fine-tune it using the color wheels or jump back to basic corrections to tweak things like exposure, contrast, or saturation. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.